Hi children, this is your social ma'am. Today we are going to see chapter 3, how the state government works in social and political life. See, these are all the contents we are going to see children. Introduction, who is an MLA, a debate in the legislative assembly, working of the government, democratic governments, improve your knowledge and listening skill. Introduction. See children, last year we have studied about the levels of the government. What are they? Local level, state level and national level. In this year we are going to learn about the state government. How it works, what is the role of the MLA and ministers, how do people express their views and demand action from the government. Who is an MLA? Members of the Legislative Assembly are elected by the people. The people select the leader or the MLA. Then they become members of the Legislative Assembly and also form the government. What does mean by Legislative Assembly? So in our Tamil we will say Sattamandram. See, every state in our country has a legislative assembly. Each state is divided into different areas or constituencies. For example, Himachal Pradesh, we have 68 constituencies. So, from each constituencies, the people elect one representative, who then becomes a member of the Legislative Assembly. These MLAs belongs to the different political parties. How do people who are MLAs become ministers or chief minister? For example, a political party whose MLAs have won more than half of the number of the constituencies in a state can be said to be in a majority. For example, in Himachal Pradesh, we have totally 68 constituencies. In that, for example, BJP won 44 constituencies, means they will become majority. The majority is called as the ruling party. So, the majority people, we can call it as the ruling party. Ruling party means in our Tamil we will say Alunkachi. And others are opposition. Opposition means Edirkachi. Opposition party. See, after the election, the MLAs belonging to the ruling party will elect their leader who will become the chief minister. So, the people can select the leader as MLA. The MLA can select the leader as chief minister. The chief minister then selects other people as minister. Then they will discuss and they will select ministers. Then the governor of the state who appoints the chief minister and other minister. So the governor, what is it, they will appoint this chief minister and also their ministers. So, the chief minister and other ministers have the responsibility of running various government departments or ministries. See this picture children, this is the Legislative Assembly. See, you have watched in the television, in the news, is it my dear? And also you just go to the net and you just watch this video. You just type Legislative Assembly in Tamil Nadu, then you will get more videos. Then you just watch and you will get some idea. So a Legislative Assembly is a place where all the MLAs from the ruling party and from the opposition party meet and discuss various things. At last they will take one decision. Hence, some MLAs have dual responsibilities. One as an MLA, then another one minister. A debate in the Legislative Assembly. The Legislative Assembly is situated in the capital of the state. MLA can express their opinion and question will be asked. Whatever decisions being taken have to be approved by the members of this legislative assembly. The legislative assembly is not only the place where opinions expressed. So, the people can express in various ways, for example, in the newspapers, TV, and other organizations. So, these things they will talk regularly about the government and their actions. From this also, the chief minister and ministers take action through various departments. For example, Public Works Department. Improve your knowledge, children. Find out your area MLA, how to become a chief minister. Search in net and try to watch the video about how this legislative assembly is conducted. Find out the chief minister and their cabinet ministers. Take a listening skill. Expand MLA. Define democracy. Legislative assembly building is located in dash. Differentiate majority and opposition. Press conference will be arranged by the ministers to provide the information for the people regarding any other issues. True or false? Thank you, children.